And let's begin.
Okay, straight to English. Your right choice.
Let's begin.
Hi, welcome back to the show.
Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here again.
It's great to have you. So today feels a little different.
Oh, how so?
Well, we usually talk about really big topics, but today I think we're slowing it all down.
Yes, we are. We're going back to the basics. It's the things we do every single day.
Oh, I see. So like waking up or eating breakfast.
Yes, exactly that. From the morning all the way to the night.
The things you do on a Monday, a Tuesday.
Every day.
That's actually really useful. If you can explain your own routine, you can talk to almost anyone.
That is the goal, yes, to help you talk about your day.
Okay, I'm ready. But before we start, I have one very important thing to say.
Of course.
If you want to understand real English, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you get every new lesson.
Thank you. That is very important. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's start first. Just listen to a conversation about my day.
Okay, so you're going to tell me about your day. Let's say a Tuesday, a normal day.
Sounds good. You can ask me questions.
Okay, well, so what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 Dora.
7 Dora. Okay, that's a good time. Not too early.
Yeah, the normal time for me.
So the alarm goes off. What's the next thing you do? What do you do next?
Well, I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. And I brush my teeth.
Got it. So you're awake, you're clean. Now, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I go to the kitchen and I make coffee and toast.
Coffee and toast, a classic. Very simple.
Yes. I like a simple breakfast to start the day.
So after you have your coffee and toast, what happens?
Then I get dressed, I put on my coat,
Yeah.
and I go to work.
You leave the house, and where do you work?
I work in an office.
An office, okay.
I sit at my desk there.
And work on a computer, I imagine.
Yes, all day.
Right. So what about after work? When the day's finished?
After work, I go home. I cook dinner.
Okay.
Sometimes. I cook pasta.
Yeah. Pasta. I like pasta.
Me too. It's easy to cook.
And then is the day over.
Almost. Then I go to bed at 11:00.
Wow. That is a full day. But it sounds like a good day.
It is. It's a normal day. It's a routine.
That was really clear. When you speak slowly, it's so much easier to hear each word.
That's the secret. Slow and steady.
I like it.
Let's look at 3 important words.
3 words from that story.
Yes. 3 words that are key to the daily routine.
Okay, what's the first one?
The first word is kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yes, kitchen.
So what is a kitchen?
It's the room. The room where we cook food.
Okay, the room for food.
Right. In a house, you have a room with a stove, a fridge.
Yeah.
That is the kitchen.
I understand. So in the story, you make breakfast.
In the kitchen, yes.
And you make coffee in the kitchen.
Exactly. For many people, it's the most important room in the morning.
I agree. I can't start my day without going to the kitchen. What's the second word?
The second word is office.
Office. Okay.
Yes. Many people work at home now, but office is still a very important word to know.
Right. I work at home. I do not work in an office.
So we should define it. An office is, well, it's a place.
A place for work.
Yes, a place with desks and computers where people work.
I see. So many people leave their house in the morning and go to an office?
That's right. They go there, they sit at a desk, and they work.
Okay, so kitchen is for cooking. Office is for working. Got it.
Perfect. Now for the third word.
What is it?
The third word is relax.
Relax. Oh, that sounds very nice.
It is nice. Relax.
Does that mean to sleep?
That's a great question. No, it does not mean to sleep.
Oh, okay. So what does it mean?
It means to rest, to, sit on the sofa, maybe watch TV.
So it means to stop working, to rest.
Exactly. After a long day of work, you are tired. So you relax.
I like to relax on my sofa.
That's a perfect way to do it.
Yeah.
You don't work, you don't run, you just relax.
Okay, so the 3 words are kitchen, office, and relax.
Very good. You see how they are all part of the daily routine.
They are. That makes me think about breakfast again.
Oh.
In our dialogue, you eat coffee and toast.
Yes, that's right.
So one person likes a hot breakfast, the other likes a cold breakfast.
Everyone has a different routine.
They do, and that makes me curious.
Curious about what?
About you, who are listening. We have a question for you.
Yes, we do.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
You eat toast or cereal? Maybe you eat something totally different like rice.
Tell us in the comments. What do you eat for breakfast? Please write your answer in English.
Yes. We would love to read your answers in the comments.
I promise I'll read every single one. Okay, so now, I think it's time to practice speaking.
Yes. Let's practice.
I'm ready.
We are going to practice a very useful phrase from the dialogue.
Which one?
The phrase is, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Okay.
This is such an important action. It's how the day really begins.
Right. First you wake up, you open your eyes.
And then you get out of bed. You stand up.
Exactly. So I want you to listen to me and then repeat.
I'm listening.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Good. Let's try one more time. Listen to the sounds.
Okay.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Perfect. One last time. A little faster, like you would normally say it.
Okay.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Excellent. That's a phrase you can use every single morning.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to say it out loud. I get out of bed.
That's the spirit.
In English, we have a special name for people who wake up very early.
You do. What is it?
We call that person an early bird.
An early bird. Like the animal.
Exactly. An early bird.
What does that mean?
It's a person who loves to wake up very early. You know, birds wake up when the sun comes up.
Right. They start singing.
So if you wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., you are an early bird. I wake up at 8. Then you are not an early bird.
No, I am a sleepy bird.
That's very funny.
Are you an early bird?
Sometimes. But usually, 7-0 is good for me.
Well, this has been so helpful. I feel like we covered a lot.
Good job today. We talked about waking up,
Yeah.
working, and of course, relaxing.
And we learned about the kitchen and the office.
We practiced saying, I get out of bed.
And we learned about early birds.
See, routine is important.
It really is. It helps you organize your whole day.
So thank you everyone for listening.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you learned something today.
We hope you learned some new words for your daily routine.
If this helped you, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.